know that that's on me.
Never had a moment.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Brianna. If you have not seen my face, my name is Brianna. So in today's video, I thought that I would do something different. So today we're going to be making cookies. You guys are going to bake with me. Before I jump into baking and all that fun stuff, I need for you guys to go ahead and like my video, comment down, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so you know exactly when I upload another video. So, like I said, we're making cookies today. We're making cookies today. So the cookies that I'm making today, I saw on TikTok, and I thought it was pretty interesting. I made it once before, but it didn't record it, so I decided to record it for the second time today, because I'm making it for the second time. So, like I said, I saw the video on TikTok. The cookies that I'm going to be making today are called Oreo cheesecake cookies. So, they're actually pretty good too if you never had it. But let me tell you what you need. You're going to need 5 ingredients for this cookie, to make these cookies. So, let me go ahead and show you what those are. You're going to need Oreos, of course, flour, 2 sticks of softened butter. Gonna need cream cheese. I would suggest, if you have cream cheese, to leave it sitting out for a while so that it can get soft, so that it won't be so hard to mix up. And you're gonna need sugar. Supplies, well, that's the supplies you're gonna need. So things that you're gonna use: measuring cup, a bowl, a hand mixer if you have one, and another bowl for the Oreos. So we're gonna start by opening the cream cheese. Then we're gonna do our 2 cups of butter, or 2 softened butter, not cups. Cups of sugar, so that's where your measuring cup comes in at. Over, but it's okay. So then you're gonna add that into the bowl as well. Then you're gonna take your mixture and you're gonna mix the cream cheese, the 2 softened butters, and the sugar together until it is a soft consistency. It might take a few minutes for you to get it there, but it has to be a soft consistency before you can move forward. Next, you're going to go back to your measuring cup and you're going to add 2 cups of flour. Get dough stuff, 1 packet of dough stuff. Now we're gonna open it. And you wanna dump them into the bowl. Okay, you want to take a spoon or whatever, so you want to mash up the Oreos, but don't mash them up so they're like small pieces. We want them to be like medium sized pieces, so you're going to mash them up. Mashed up to look like this. Then you're gonna grab your mix bag, your bowl, and you're gonna dump this into the mixture, and then after that you're going to spoon it. Alright, so it should look like this in a sense. So now what you have to do is put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes and then you can bake them. So I'll be back once the 30 minutes is up so I can show you how I roll them and put them in the oven. Be back. Alright, so the 30 minutes has expired, so now it's time to roll the cookies into little balls and put them on parchment paper. What? I just started the video. In parchment paper. So you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Yeah, so I've turned the oven on, preheat the oven. Me and my brother are going to roll these cookies and put them on this pan. Let's go. Brother, guys. My brother. Okay, he don't like me right now. He don't like me right now. Go ahead, Jay. Oh my gosh, guys, look how short I am to him. And I'm the oldest. I'm the oldest. He's 14 and he's taller than me.
That's because you're short.
It's too big.
That is.
How they look.
That's
fine. That's how they look going into the oven. And then I'll show you how they look when you come out of the oven. Wait, back to my camera. Okay, be back in 14 to 16 minutes. Alright, so we are back. The cookies have officially came out of the oven. I'm gonna going to show you what they look like once they get out of the oven. So here was no nothing. So that's what they look like. They get really big. So I suggest that you make them probably a little bit smaller, depending on what you like or whatever. But they do get big. So that concludes the video. That is how you make Oreo cheesecake cookies. Thank you for watching and baking with me today. Quarantine has me baking, and I'm not even a baker. But I saw the recipe and I just had to do it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys.